Nobody's perfect. I may not be the most beautiful, the sexiest, or the girl with a perfect body, but I don't pretend to be someone I'm not. I'm good at being me. I know I'm not everyone's idea of perfect, and that's okay. I'm not here to impress people by pretending to be someone else. What you see is what you get. I might not be proud of some of the things I've done in my past, but I'm proud of who I am today. Yes, I've made mistakes. Learned from them. I've grown up, and every bad choice, every wrong step helped me become stronger, wiser person I am now. I still have flaws. I still mess up sometimes, but I try to be kind. I try to be real. I care deeply even when people don't see it. I laugh too loud. I cry when I'm hurt. I get insecure, but I also love with all my heart. Life isn't about being perfect. It's about being true to yourself, owning your journey, and never giving up on becoming better. I might not have it all, but I have myself, and that's enough.